Welcome to the assembly manual for the Capri panel. In step 1, position part 1 and secure the accessories K. Fit the B accessories into the 4 pieces. Position in the indicated location and secure the M accessories. Position part 3 and secure it with the M accessories. In step 2, fit accessories Q and B into the indicated locations. Position part 2 and secure the K accessories. Fit accessory R. Position the piece 7 and secure the accessories P. Finish by fitting all the pieces together. Fix the M accessories in the indicated locations. In step 3, fit pieces 6. In step 4, fit the B accessories into the indicated locations. Position part 8 and secure it with the accessory F. In step 5, fit the C accessories and then position the pieces 15 and use the T accessories. Fix it with the G accessories. Fit the C accessories and then position the pieces 5 and secure them with the G accessories. Now, in step 6, position pieces 11 and 12 parallel to each other and secure them with accessories D and H. Position pieces 9 and 10 and secure with accessories D and H. Fix the accessories H and E in the indicated locations. Fit the C accessories and with the 16 pieces positioned, secure them with the G accessories. In step 7, attach the S accessories to piece 13. In step 8, fit the C accessories into the indicated locations. Position piece 14, use accessory T, and then secure with accessories G. Fit the B accessories into the indicated locations. Position part 13 and secure it with accessories I. In step 9, fit the LED accessory kit. Fix the wires with accessories N and O. And finally, fix the L accessory.